Just gone through Emily Moor, then we went through Shelley. Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt. This is Wakey Two Wheels, and for all you Wakey guys, we are just going down Sugar Lane. We've just gone past the cemetery. For all you non-Wakey guys, we've just come down here. This is another little impromptu video, as I am sat at home in the crappy weather, actually getting bored because I'm not making videos for you guys. And that's truthfully, I am seriously missing making videos. So I thought I'd just come out and do another little update video. Oh. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just going to have to open my visor a little bit. There we go. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all riding safe if you are riding. So literally what is happening today is I'm making this little video. One, just to entertain me. Two, to keep you guys updated. And three, because I miss riding. I haven't had a ride on my bike for about 2 weeks, just because of weather, crappy weather. Yesterday was quite dry, so I checked on the weather today and I thought, oh yeah, this will do it. It's nice and, well, I wouldn't say it's freezing cold. It's about 8-9 degrees, just enough to put your heated grips on. And I just thought of heading this way today to have a little adventure, and it's purely just see where we end up. There's no calves in this, I don't think, yet. There might be later, I don't know where I'm going to end up. The thing is, with most of the calves right now, I've been doing some research, and there's a lot of the calves putting up posts saying we're closed for the season. And I'm talking about the ones up in the dales and stuff like that, they're shutting down for the season. It is very seasonal up there. I mean, I wouldn't be open in this weather if I were in the middle of dales or peaks or whatever. I'm steaming up. How am I steaming up? So yeah, heading towards Denby Dale, because why not? Because look at those colours. We're still in autumn, but we're heading towards winter head first, if you know what I mean. It is bloody freezing today. And I think this might be one of the last chances to have a little adventure on bike. I've got an update, and I'll roll the clip right now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what it is, but every time I take this bike for its MOT, it is absolutely atrocious weather. But hey, here we are, MOT day. Now this year, same as last year really, I've had no real problems with the bike. I can't think of anything that it's going to fail on. But yeah, I'm going down to Jumbo like I normally do. Because I really like them guys, I trust them with my bike. Here we are. There's the Wakefield off-road, and Jumbo should be right there. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, good news! Wakey Two Wheels is safe for another year. Passed my MOT with no advisories, nothing. Everything's kosher and good for another year. That makes me very happy. Denby Dale, Clayton West. Oh. Alright, yeah, so that was me thankfully passing my MOT. I got complimented on how the bike's in good nick. Wow, you can't see the top of Emily Moor right now. Emily Moor mast. The head's been cut off. But yeah, passed my MOT, which means Wakey Two Wheels is good for another year. Another update, I am starting to feel better after my my season of ick. I don't know what it was with that man flu, but it was a bad man flu. Really bad man flu. I'm feeling a lot better right now. I've got a lot more energy. Hey, all the trees. I love being in forest. Having to be very, very careful here because there is a lot of mud on these roads. The farms are all preparing for the next summer, digging and ploughing and that, so all you have to do is whip around a corner and all of a sudden you're confronted with a road full of mud. Not so much a problem on this bike, but I would like to be taking a sports bike up here or a naked bike up here. Love these roads. Now look around you. Scenery around you there. See, even in the depths of autumn and winter, it's still a beautiful place around here. Absolutely stunning. But anyway, and I can tell it's getting cold. I'm getting higher and higher because it is getting colder. My knees are starting to get cold. Here we are in Emily. It's really weird as Emily Moor because you can see it like that and you feel like you're really close to it. And you've still got another quarter of a mile to ride. Oh, my ears have just popped. Here we are. And behind me. Oh, I can just see the head of it now. Wow. Have a little look around her. Yeah, so that is what Emily Moor Mast looks like on a foggy day, with its head in the clouds. Missed a gear. There we go. Right, shall we carry on and see where we end up? The rain clouds really do make that view pretty. Look at the sun poking through over there. That's amazing views. Amazing views over there. Oh, roadkill. I wish it were a bit warmer, but it is nice to get out here. Feels so much nicer being out on bike. Well, I've just driven through, just gone through Emily Moor, then we went through Shelley, and now I'm here. I think it's called Fenton Bridge, or Phaeton Bridge, and it is a stunning ride round here. There is a lot of nice little pubs snuck into corners like, and that's all I'm looking for right now, is a little place to rest my ass. Another biker. Alright mate. Yeah, I'm just looking for a little place to have a rest, have a glass of pop or something. I mean, the reason I'm doing these little videos, well, the main reasons is, if you don't post regular content, YouTube stops sharing your videos about. So I like to, even in the bad months, I like to stick the odd video out. And another one is, I miss you guys. I really do miss you guys. I'm getting more traffic on my social media pages. Getting more people commenting and sending me messages. Thank you guys. I do appreciate that. I like to hear from you guys. So, I went down the hill, started seeing Huddersfield Town Centre, and I'm like, nah, I'm not interested in that. So I turned around. But I do know of a nice little pub around corner here. There we go. Right. And this is the place right here. It's a Green King pub. Fenay, that's the one. Fenay Bridge. Couldn't think of the name earlier. But yeah, we'll stick his nose in here. Get a glass of Coke, I think. See how close we can get to them tables. That'll do it. Alright, get my stuff together guys, show you around a bit. keep saying it wrong, it's Fenay Bridge, or Fenay Bridge, something like that. Fenay Bridge. But yeah, I wasn't going to do a review, but looks like I'm doing a little review. What a lovely little pub. What can we say about the pub? When you walk in, the staff are really welcoming. Said hello to me as soon as I walked in the door, which is a sign of good staff. The place inside is done out really well, and I mean spotlessly well. Really nice decor. They've done Christmas decorations in there. The tree looks amazing. I think I saw that in the footage. It does look amazing, does that tree? Well done on that. I didn't have any food because I wasn't expecting to come out today, but they've got a very, very good menu on. They're also taking bookings for Christmas lunches, but I'm guessing you'll have to be quick to get them because they'll go like hotcakes. They really will. You'll find it hard to get a booking in a pub around Christmas, but you can always try. £55.99 I think it is for a Christmas booking. But yeah, what a lovely little pub. It's a Green King pub, so the beers, a really nice range of beers. Look at that for a view. How can you say no to that view? Look at the colours. I mean, visually it's really stunning time of year. But yeah, lovely range of beer. They do Sunday roasts. Like I said, I didn't have any food, but the kitchen smelt gorgeous. They've got live sports on, really nice pool table, and for the people that actually like going to pubs and using the pool table, you'll understand when I say there's plenty of room around it. There's no hoiking the queue up, smacking against a wall or anything like that. Plenty of room around the table. I like that in a pub. I'm guessing in the summer it is even better because there's like a little bridge over the stream, and the scenery around it's a lovely place. But yeah, if the bar staff are watching, well done guys, you're doing a good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video, because there wasn't going to be any kind of review. It was just a ride out to see where we ended up turning into a pub review, and I really hope you do enjoy it. I will keep chucking these videos out when I can. But like I said, the weather's on the turn and it is getting bad. Today just happens to be a freak, quite warm day for the time of year. So when I saw that on the weather report, I thought, sod it, I'll go out for a short ride and see where I end up. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all riding safe. Please drop a comment, stick us in a like, a subscribe if you can. Share this video, would really help. And I shall see you all in the next video. Bye for now.